Hi, I am Laura from Mentalab, and today I'm going to show you our new mobile EXG device, Explorer, in action. So this is it. This is the Explorer. As you can see, it is the most compact EXG device and also the lightest with under 30 grams. To stream EEG data, which is what we will do today, we will use this EEG cap. It's a neoprene cap along with a dry electrode setup for a full plug-and-play use. So with this cap, you can freely choose where you place your electrodes, and in fact, the whole system is modular, so you have the electrodes separate from the device and also from the cap, so you can freely choose the positions. I will choose 2 frontal and 2 occipital positions with a unipolar reference at the mastoid. Notice the 2 kinds of soft poles dry electrodes. So one of them is flat for more direct skin contact, and the other one is this brush type, which is also flexible for higher comfort, so you can get some hair out of the way. Of course, we also have gel-based electrodes if you prefer. Okay, so to get started, we will plug in the electrodes to the device like this. I chose a Velcro patch actually to attach the device to the cap here, but you're fully free to choose any other way to attach it. Okay, so let's place it like this. I will turn on the button of the device. Green means it has enough battery, and now it will be blinking in blue, which means it is ready for Bluetooth connection. This device actually has an internal flash memory too, which means that as we speak, it is recording also in offline mode onto the device's memory. This is a 4-channel device. Our 8-channel version works just the same. Okay, so putting on the cap is straightforward. Let's do that. Just like this. Just getting it over the head. Right. Make sure to get your ears in here. Same thing on this side. Just pull it over tightly. And I will use this chin strap for more comfort too, so you can place it underneath the chin if you prefer. I do prefer it this way. Okay, so I'm pressing down on my frontal electrodes, also the ones here. We'll place my unipolar reference here, tucked under the cap for maximal skin contact. As you can see, this cap has, so the smaller holes are placed according to the 10-10 system, so you have enough of electrodes positions to choose from, and the larger holes are there so you can thread the cables through them, for example, for more data stability and quality, and also to prevent you from sweating as a subject. Okay, so I will keep pressing on these to get the hair out of the way. Same thing here for more skin contact. This is the setup from behind, as you can see here. These are what I'm pressing on. There you go. To get the hair out of the way. So as you see here, we have these kind of clip cables attached to the dry electrodes, which you can use for other kinds of research, such as ECG or EMG would be the same. There you go. Okay, we should now be good to go. So I will show you my screen.